Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Day 28 How to improve a communication skill with the English law. So first one I read this book The Miracle Morning, but I at least explore my experience for the approximately to be continue in our last 1 month in a daily upload a vlog with English. That is the dedication and determination, the combine of the compound effect of my life improvement. But reality is so different of your the book of the international book bestseller, The Miracle Morning, Hell Road. That is the difference. Why? Because the Miracle Morning, how to make your habit and build a new consistency in your life, but break through everyone rules in your life properly. But circumstances are not a proper work from your as a daily base your life, but a reality of a new beginning of the new journey your life. So daily base or dedication and determination to important of your life, so harmful of your full focus your 100% effort from the only for 1 to 2 habits, that is the not a follow of your right perspective of the result. Why? Because you are 200% sure that is the daily base of practice and one time you achieve all this goal. But daily are not possible to improvement. Why? One of the time the peak is stable. After you are not up and down your peak but is stable. That is the time you are change of the habit. That is the reality of this book. So, I say, not a perfection in your life, not a weight of the perfection, but definitely you are trying to best of the best in your life. Already you are not a moral of your own ethics, not right and wrong you decided for yourself, but I suggest for you, you are only for read this book and after you have to dedicate in your habit. And how can you change your habit? Why? Because my perspective is very different for my as a reading habit and your perspective, your knowledge, that is the difference between for you and me. I'm not perspective of your feel or guilty, but that is the reality of the bitter truth. Okay, so I am a clarify of myself, and I am a confirm for myself that is the perfection are not wait for your perfect. Make a daily practice, and one day you are achieve your dream. Okay, because I am to be continue right. Upload is a 2 to 3 minutes. That is the my perfection habit, and one day complete my 365 day to be achieve your my self motivation. Okay, thank you so much. You are the watch my 28 vlogs, and today day is 24 November 2025. Okay, thank you so much, dear.